Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make an income online. I recently got a comment in one of my videos asking me how I've been doing this, and so today I'd like to share with you some of the platforms that I've used in the past and some that I am currently using today. But before we start, I just wanted to share with you that I am by no means a financial expert or any sort of work recruitment expert or anything like that. I am just sharing with you some of the platforms that have worked for me and how I earn a salary, or rather an income, every month. Additionally, there are so many scammers online and so many people have fallen for these scams. You don't have to. Never ever open emails from unverified business accounts. Only open emails from verified business accounts, and don't ever give money up front, because no business will ask you to share money with them or even pay upfront if you're looking for a job. I mean, where are you actually getting money from if you are looking for a job? That would be absolutely ridiculous. So beware of this. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and comment below. Let me know what platforms you are using if you are currently making money online, or if you're interested in doing this and how it has been working for you. So there are various ways you can make money online if you live in Ghana. Let's start with the first one. Sell unused items. Facebook has a really good marketplace where you can sell your goods. You can take pictures and advertise on there and sell them for a good price. Have a look at other similar items so you can see how other people on Facebook have priced them. Do not price them too high or too low. You can also use your Instagram to advertise your unused items to your audience. Other platforms which work are Amazon and eBay. But here, if you sell to international clients, you may have to counter in delivery if they choose your unused items. Number 2, become a freelance writer. If you love writing, then this is perfect for you. I have been using Top Content. This is a very reliable platform, and you basically just sign up. They give you a little test in the beginning, so do make a note of this. This test basically tests your grammatical knowledge and your English ability, but it's not hard at all. And then you are given certain topics and word counts. Then you follow these, you follow the guidelines which they give you, and you have to read through them before writing. Then once you get a hang of them, everything will be easy. You are also paid online through PayPal or the platform Skrill, but it's basically very straightforward, and once you get the hang of their system, you are good to go. Number 3, you can become a proofreader. So you get people who write articles, and sometimes these people make mistakes. So your job will be basically to read over these articles and make sure there are no errors. So you read them thoroughly and look for any mistakes that have been made. Maybe they could be typos or grammatical errors. Your job will be to correct these. So a good platform is Proofreading.com. By the way, I'm going to share all the links to these platforms down below. Proofreading.com is a very reliable platform. My friend used to use this and she did not complain one bit. So I would advise you guys to sign up here and look at how their system is and how it works for you. And I think this is a very enjoyable thing that you can do as a side hustle. Number 4, you can become an English tutor. And there are various websites online where you can do so. But bear in mind that you have to have TESOL certification beforehand. There are some online schools where you can register for this. In about a month, you will have the certification. This certificate is just to show that you have a good ability for learning and teaching English online, and that you have a good understanding of the English language. So once you have this, the world is your oyster basically. So You can sign up to some of the English tutoring websites, which I'll link below, and then you can, in a matter of time, be earning money doing this. So consider this. I think this would be fun because you get to interact with foreign students, and you can do this online. You don't need to go in physically whilst you are cashing in. Number 5, last but not least, you can sign up onto Upwork. So basically here what you do, if you have a special skill set, you register on here, open up a profile, and put up what you do. So basically, say you are a photographer, or you are a graphic designer, or you write, you can get paid hourly or per project here. People will find you on here based on your profile and what services they're looking for. So do consider this, as you can earn on a project base and earn different incomes at the same time. This is what I also do currently, and it's been working well for me. I've had clients from Australia, America asking me to write for them, as my skill set that I've put up there is writing. So I've written various articles and earned a decent amount of money. So put your profile together, put it down on paper first, then you can transfer it onto the platform so that it's seamless and that it's concise, and so that more people can reach out to you. So these are the 5 ways that you can make an income online, ways that have worked very well for me, and I am happy to share these with you. I know that living in Ghana, sometimes there can be some restrictions on what you can do and how you can earn the money online, say through what platforms, say PayPal and all those things. But these ones are ones that really work well, and you can get your money instantly and you do not have to worry about. So do consider these, and please don't forget to subscribe below, comment, and smash that like button. Bye guys.